When you see a check warning light on your Prius dashboard, don't panic. It's not always a big problem. You just need to know what the error is. In this video, I'll show you how to check Prius Gen 2 error codes by yourself. We'll use an OBD2 device and the Dr. Prius app. You will also understand what the codes mean and how much it might cost to repair. First, let's talk about what you need. You only need an OBD2 device, the Dr. Prius app, and your Prius Gen 2. Now let's connect the OBD2 device to your car. Plug the OBD2 device into the OBD port under the dashboard. Then connect your phone to the OBD2 WiFi signal. Open the Dr. Prius app, choose Wi-Fi connection, and tap Connect. After the connection is successful, go to Special Features. First, tap Read Battery Errors to check for hybrid battery issues. In my case, the app shows error code P3013. P3013 means battery block 3 is weak and its voltage is lower than the others. A Prius hybrid battery has 28 modules grouped into 14 blocks. Each block contains 2 modules. So P3013 means one or both modules in block 3 are failing. The most common repair is to replace the weak module only. This is cheap, but usually temporary. It lasts 1 to 6 months. It's a good option if you only want a short-term fix. If you want to see the full replacement process, watch my other video. Next, let's check the engine error codes. Tap Read Engine Errors. Here the app shows error code P0037. P0037 means the heater circuit inside the rear oxygen sensor has a problem. This is the downstream O2 sensor after the catalytic converter. It is not the sensor on the exhaust manifold. The most common fix is to replace the rear O2 sensor. Use the OEM Denso 2344623 sensor for Prius Gen 2. Avoid very cheap sensors because they fail quickly. The sensor normally costs around $25 to $60. Labor is usually around $5 to $10. And that's it. With just an OBD2 device and the Dr. Prius app, you can quickly find out what's wrong with your Prius and what to do next. If you want more Prius repair videos, don't forget to subscribe.